Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a picture inside a shape on Google Slides. It's super simple, and yeah, it really makes your slides look more professional. So let's dive in. First, open your Google Slides presentation and pick the slide you want to work on. Then go to the menu bar, click on Insert, and choose Shape. You can pick any shape you like a circle, star, or rectangle. Now, click and drag on your slide to draw the shape. Don't worry about the size for now, you can resize it later. Yeah. Next, right-click on the shape and select Replace Image. Then choose where you want to get the picture from. You can upload from your computer, search the web, or pick from Google Drive. I'm going to upload one from my computer for this example. Once the picture is inside the shape, you can double-click on it to adjust its position or zoom. Make sure the part of the image you want is visible and fits nicely inside the shape. And that's it. Your picture is now perfectly inside a shape on Google Slides. Pretty easy, right? Don't forget to play around with different shapes and images to make your slides pop. If you found this helpful, yeah, consider subscribing for more quick tutorials.